Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high contrast text on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and select Additional Settings. Over here you need to choose Accessibility, here, and choose Vision. Finally, you can scroll down and click on the switcher next to high contrast text. As you can see, higher contrast is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!